One of the most requested features from OnTheClock payroll users is the ability to pay 1099 contractors in addition to the W-2 employees we already support. We're thrilled to announce that this feature is now available. Setting up a 1099 contractor and paying them through OnTheClock is quick and easy. Let's jump right in. You'll add the 1099 contractor just as you would a W-2 employee in the system, but our employee profiles now include a toggle to set them as a contractor. Once you toggle this button, you'll get a notification reminding you to download any pre-existing PTO in the system for this individual. If there is pre-existing PTO in the system, be sure to save that for your records. 3 fields are required for contractors: an employee number, a hire date, and their salary or hourly rate. Depending on your contract, you may require the contractor to punch in and out, or their work could be project-based. When it's time to pay the contractor, click on the Time Cards tab. You'll see the contractor listed along with their estimated pay based on their salary or hourly rate. To update their payment, simply click in the Payments box to change the pay. If the contractors submit receipts for reimbursements, for example, for supplies, you can also add that in here so they're reimbursed on their paycheck. Next, click Preview Payroll to confirm all the details. Note, since contractors are required to pay their own taxes, no taxes will be directly withheld from their check. Once these details are confirmed, click on the Run Payroll button to complete the pay run. That's it! With OnTheClock Payroll, managing both W-2 employees and 1099 contractors has never been easier. Ready to streamline your payroll? Get started today and run complete payrolls in 2 minutes or less.